Hey, it's April here. That's not good. I was like still drinking my beer and I said, hey, it's April here. Hey, it's April here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my family's all-time favorites, the classic potato salad. Now that the weather is warmer and summer is upon us, it is definitely grilling season. One of our favorite barbecue side dishes is the potato salad. Well, everyone except for my husband.
Your husband is Daddy.
Everyone except for Daddy, who doesn't like potatoes unless it's in the form of french fries or chips. This recipe is super easy. It's a winner every single time and it tastes even better the next day. So let's get started. In this segment, I want to show you how to make the perfect hard-boiled egg. First thing you need to do is put your eggs in a saucepan. In this recipe, we're using 3 eggs, and then cover the eggs with cold water. Make sure that the water is about 1 inch above the eggs. So the next step is to bring the water to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, you turn it down to low heat, put a lid on the saucepan, and wait for about 10 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes, so the eggs should be done. You remove the eggs and put it into a bowl of cold water. That way we can stop the cooking. Just leave it here for a few minutes and then we can peel it and then chop them.
3 large potatoes peeled and chopped. 3 boiled eggs chopped. 2 celery stalks chopped. 1 small onion finely chopped. Half a cup of dill pickle, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of celery salt, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of mayonnaise.
The first thing you'll need to do is take the chopped up potatoes and put it in a big pot. And then you fill it up with cold water, just enough so it covers all the potatoes. So you bring it to a boil and then you season the water with some salt. You know when you're done if the potatoes are still firm but fork tender. You don't want to overcook them because I've done them before and the potato salad ended up like mashed potatoes and that is no good. I think the potatoes are done, so let's check one. I think that's good. You don't want it too mushy. It's fork tender, but it doesn't fall apart. Let's go ahead and strain out the water. So now we can put our potato salad together. I have all the potatoes in a bowl right here. All we have to do now is to mix all the ingredients inside. First we'll put in the eggs, and then we'll mix in the celery, and then we'll do the relish, and then you want to throw in the red onions, garlic salt, celery salt, mustard, black pepper, and then the mayonnaise. So now we just mix it together.
Looks delicious. Mix all of the tomatoes. Potato.
So we are done mixing. This can go in the fridge until you're ready to eat. So we're gonna have this with dinner once everything has been grilled. Dinner right now, so it's time to try some of the potato salad. It's like crunchy, it's like perfectly seasoned. Definitely a crowd pleaser. If you like potato salad, that is. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I'll link the recipe and the ingredients down below. Let me know if you decide to make the potato salad. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe, and see you in my next video. Cheers! Thanks for watching!